Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology. Well, the world today is really messed up with a major issue with a antivirus for it's. So let's talk about it and give the details that this Crowdstrike is for business and enterprise. So it is mostly on Windows servers that are affected by this, and that is one of the most popular security, antivirus security that companies use. And so this, of course, an update to CrowdStrike has crashed Windows PCs around the world. And it affects a host of systems, from airports to airlines to healthcare to all sorts of services, emergency services around the world. As computers crashed, of course, all of these services went down. And this is a major issue. And this also shows one thing: relying on one of the most, like dominant systems. What we show here is that, first, of course, we always say the fact that Windows is dominant is always a problem in a way because of security hazards that could happen because of it. But also for CrowdStrike, which is dominant around the world for enterprise, showing that relying on just one big company to give you security, same thing. It's if everybody would have a host of different antivirus being used for enterprise, all of those that are not on CrowdStrike don't have any problems today. It's really the fact that we see how extensive this company has been able to extend its security software around the world. So this is a pretty interesting problem, and I think it shows that the huge issue of relying too much on one system, one type of antivirus. If diversity is always good, and we say it all the time, diversity is great. Actually, I was thinking about a similar issue that could happen. Just think about all the Chromium browsers out there, which are the majority of the browsers. If Chromium would issue a flawed update that crashes the browsers, all browsers would crash except Firefox. So you could see how it's really, really complicated. Using too much of one thing is never a good idea. So the dominance of CrowdStrike, the dominance of Windows, all of that together is creating a huge problem today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.